Hello mga kalindo. Ayan. Even I have a sore throat. Ayan. I just show you guys. Ayan. Yung kinain ko kanina. What I eat or what is my lunch or my lunch today. Odi dorata. I love this fish. My God. It's really yummy. I put in the oven. I enjoy. Ayan kasi I am feeling not feel really good, guys. I feel really I feel bad. I feel, I think I have a cold and my throat, or my throat is really, what do you call this? It's really, really hurt. Oh my gosh. I don't know what is this. I have a sore throat. That's it. And I need to take medicine. So that's why I eat. I show you what I eat this afternoon, guys. Okay, mga kalindog. This is only updating because I don't make live. So guys, let's enjoy. Okay, bye. Hello guys, I need to eat. Look at my essence, or look at my food. This is my lunch today. Oh my God, guys, I will show you. Ayan mga kalindog, lagyan natin siya ng lemon. O diba, ang sarap-sarap niya lagyan ng lemon. Ito ay oven. Diba? Sarap. Ayan. Diba? Damihan natin. Ayan guys, tikman na natin siya. Okay? Tikman natin siya kung gaano kasarap. Ayan guys. Sarap. Ayan. And this is the, ayan guys. And guys, I need to eat first, okay? So thank you. Yes guys, after I eat, you see, I'm not feeling well. I don't know. I'm not feeling good. I have my sore throat, and I don't know. I went to the city today because it's still cold. Ayan, ang lamig-lamig. It's cold, and then I'm just what do you call it? I trying to make hurry. No, because I'm almost late to my what is termin, my appointment. So I went there. I think I'm late 10 minutes. So but I'm really sweating. My t-shirt inside is really what do you call it? It's really wet. So tapos and then I opened my jacket, so that's why maybe I got the cold. So ayan, that's why the reason I feel really sick, and I feel I'm not feeling well. My throat is aching. Ayan, I eat good this lunch. Ayan, I eat the fish, but you see now I feel bad kasi ayan nga, mamadali ako. And by the way, guys, ayan, thank you for watching, okay? So, ayan, masama pakiramdam ko talaga. I'm not really feeling well. I take a medicine, the paracetamol. And you see my throat is a little bit, what do you call that na? Malat. What is malat? Yeah. But anyway, and I feel really, I don't know, I feel warm, and maybe also because of the allergy or everything. By the way, I don't care. Important is I eat today good. The fish, what I show you a while ago. Ayan. Even I feel bad today. By the way, guys, ayan. This is only I make what do you call that, update, because I don't make live today. Okay, so guys, I hope tomorrow I feel better because I take the medicine, the paracetamol, and see you tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna make live. Ayan guys, oh, my throat is really aching, and look at me. Oh my God, I'm getting sick. Oh my God. So guys, and thank you for watching. Bye. See you maybe tomorrow. I'm going to sleep early, okay? And look at here, all my dogs are also sleeping with me. They are comfort me because I think they know and they feel that I'm really, really feel sick. So ayan guys, thank you. Just only updating, okay? Bye. I love you all. See you.